Hey, do you have some buildings on your acreage that you're a little worried about? You know, they made it through the last few winters, but every winter you're kind of like, I got to do something soon. If so, that's exactly why we created the 51-point inspection, where we can have a trained tech come out to your property, look at all your buildings, give you a report, give you options. We're going to give you pricing on some of those options that are more critical, let you know what it'd be to fix it. We can give you pricing on some of the other stuff that's not as critical, just so you can plan for it. So it's really nice to get that inspection done for peace of mind and make sure that you can get the stuff repaired that does need to be done.